Bearcats, my name is Kelsey Myers. I'm a junior marketing major here at St. Vincent College. I'm also a career assistant at the Career and Professional Development Center. Today, as a part of the Handshake Challenge, I will be going through how to set up your profile. So first things first, you'll log into the portal, and in the portal, there's a student services page, and you'll go to the Career and Professional Development Center section. From there, you will click the Handshake icon, and it will take you right to Handshake. Since it's associated to your St. Vincent email, you will already be signed in. So for this profile, this person is an integrated science major. So the first thing you'll do is enter your graduation date, which for this profile, it's May 2022. What you're looking for, so as a junior, most likely they would be looking for an internship or potentially an on-campus job. And these things can always go back and be changed and updated later. So if you decide down the road that you want a full-time job, you can, or a part-time job, you can select those as well. So this person is an integrated science major and their interests are optometry. So those are the things that they will be searching for. So once you select those, you can select any city you would like to work in. So this person might want to work in Philadelphia or New York or DC. There's more options below when you click continue, and you can put in any location. So this person has worked as a lifeguard at Wolf's Campground. You can select any employer or add your own if it's a small business and not in Handshake. So next would be your relevant courses. This person has taken, as an integrated science major, labs, and their minor is psychology, so they've taken psych courses. You can also add classes. So for example, organic chemistry can be added. And then you can also add your labs. And these classes can be updated as you progress through your education here at St. Vincent. So skills that you can bring to your next job. This person is familiar with Microsoft Word, SolidWorks, and then there are your soft skills too, which you can add. Other skills can be different software programs. Employers are interested to see what you know as far as software. So, add whatever skills you feel like you have, but don't write anything down that you aren't sure about, because if you're asked and you have to use them, then it's obvious that you were not honest in your profile. So make sure that if you put Adobe or Java, that you really know how to use them. So this information is optional. You can add your gender and your pronouns. They can be on your profile, but you don't have to make them visible, or you can make them visible for certain people, and these obviously can be changed. So after you went through all of the steps of adding your skills, your relevant courses, where you have worked or volunteered, where you would like to work, the types of job you'll be searching for, what you're looking for, and your graduation date, then you will submit them. So once you hit submit, Handshake will pull all of the information you just entered into a profile that will look like this. And from this point is where you can edit all of the information that you previously entered. If you found that you needed to add skills, you can add more, or you forgot a class, you can edit each one and add a course. If you later have a project that you want to add, there is the option to add a project. And of course, you need to upload your resume and cover letter so you can manage your documents. And this person has their resume and their cover letter uploaded. You can also upload your transcript. Other applications may require you to submit a schedule for availability, or some employers will post an external application, such as the orientation team last spring. So you can manage all of your documents here and add new ones as needed. So to upload your profile picture, you will just hit the little pencil icon, and you can edit your photo. You can pick one from your computer. You can change your name and your school year so that information can be saved. Make sure to add your journey that's related to your major so employers can find something out about you quickly. This is a great way to promote yourself and the skills that you have, your previous experience, etc. You can change your interest here. If you decide that you want to look for internships and potentially full-time or part-time jobs, you can add cities. Like, for example, I could add Philadelphia. And you can put any city in that you want. For roles, I could decide that I want to do marketing research and add that in as well. For industries, I could decide that I don't want to do nonprofit, or I want to add an industry. So I could add that I would like to do healthcare, which is an option. So I can save all of this information and I can go back and change it anytime. I can connect with other students who are also marketing majors. So it's similar. So I can make all kinds of connections there. I can see who has viewed my profile, and that is only visible to me. And then of course, the documents and the projects are at the bottom. If I have a work study at the Career Center. I also have a work study with Office of Service Learning. I run their social media pages. So I can then add my work experience. My job title at the Career Center is Career Assistant. And then my employer is the Career and Professional Development Center. I started last spring in March, and that is my current position. So the city or the location would be Latrobe. I'm going to enter St. Vincent College. I'm going to enter Latrobe. And then I can enter my job description. So I have multiple roles at the Career and Professional Development Center. I am a peer reviewer for resumes. I help coordinate payroll for the students. I do videos like this for Handshake and whatever else they need. So I would just list all of my job descriptions like I would in my resume and just hit save. And then that comes up right there. So I would add all of my work experience. Another way to double check to make sure that your experience is all correct and that you haven't forgotten anything, you can select a resume, your own resume, and then they will cross-reference it with what you have entered. So if I hit review, it will take me to these things. Now I already have these in Handshake, so I don't approve them, but I could, if I forgot something, I can also just edit what needs my approval. So that is good to double check to make sure that you have everything that you need on your Handshake profile. There's also skills that they've generated based off my resume that they feel like I've forgotten. So I can approve all or approve a couple or delete all of them. It's whatever you feel should be on your profile. Since I already had most of them on there, I just deleted them. But then once you do all of these steps, your profile will be 100% complete and you will be entered into our drawings for prizes. It will let you know what is missing. So make sure you have your documents uploaded and all of these sections filled out. When you go back and watch these videos, feel free to hit pause at any time and fill them out at your own pace and then continue along with me as I built a Handshake profile and edited and changed my own. Thank you all for watching. Good luck in the Handshake challenge, and please refer to this video with any questions you may have.